In 2014, we built this arcade. It's a 16-in-1 arcade board. It's an iPad. We got it from Holland Computers. The link will be below. We like it, but there's only one problem. As you can see, it's big. It's not portable. We got the arcade itself, the cabinet, from TNT Amusements. Todd Tuckey was selling it, $50. There was a Defender. We painted it yellow. We put on some cheap decals. We like it, but it's not portable, so we want to get something more portable. If you like this series of YouTube videos we're doing, like, subscribe, comment, and here, if you look up here, there's a link. You can see us building it back in 2014. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.